Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so freaking pumped and excited. I thought it would be pretty fun to test someone at my skill level to try out baking recipes and cooking recipes. I am not good at all at either, but I thought it'd be really cool and really fun to try. So that's basically what we're gonna do. At least we got step one done, and it's to preheat the oven, which I forget to do all of the time. But I do want to get started on a cake that I'm gonna attempt today. So either the picture is gonna be here or it's not. I'm pretty sure the first thing I have to do is make the cake. Cute. Water. Question is, who's gonna eat this cake? Medium speed with mixer or beat vigorously by hand. Buttered. I only have one actual circular pan, and then I got like a pie pan or something. So we're gonna still put the cake in here and we're gonna cross our fingers and make do with what we have. Time to put these bad boys in the oven. I have a 30-minute timer, so I'm going to make homemade buttercream frosting meanwhile. Milk. So the other recipe I was looking at didn't give me any measurements, so I switched it up to another one, and it says I don't need heavy whipping cream. Milk it is. I'll be right back. Half a cup of unsalted butter. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 2 cups confectionate sugar sifted. Don't have a sifter. Props to all my bakers out there, because you need a lot of tools and you need a lot of ingredients, and this is hard. I'm sweating. 2 tablespoons of milk. So I misread the instructions. It was supposed to be butter, confectionate sugar, milk, then vanilla extract. I did butter, vanilla, milk. I'm just gonna pour in the confectionate sugar and see if this works out. At this point, I don't even know what I'm making. I'm sweating. I'm gonna have to do this all over again because I don't think I did it right. Did I? Listen, what's the worst that can happen? I mean, it smells good. My cakes came out of the oven. I'm pretty sure they're done. And now I took out my fondant. I got food coloring. Poppy's hair is pink. Oh, maybe you are supposed to have flour because this is getting sticky. Teal for her headband. All right, I'm gonna do her hair magenta, but I'm gonna add a little bit of red to it so it could be darker. Does that look different? More red. Her flowers on her headband are teal. Her headband is actually green. Okay. Oh my God. She has ears and arms and legs. Oh my God. Guys, I'm sweating. I don't think I need to work out today. I wasn't going to, but okay. Now there's this rainbow at the top. It's like a little cake topper. I'm assuming they had little like colored chocolate made, froze it, and then like it's flat and then they stick it on top. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me clean up really quick. I got these candy melts. I'm going to melt them so I can make the rainbow. Look at these beauties. Look at this. Oh my God, who am I? It's not flat, but it's flat enough. I'm gonna taste it. Not bad. We gotta work with what we have. What are we gonna do? Okay, I have an idea. We're gonna do the letter U, okay? Then we're gonna paint it with food coloring. It's gonna look good, I promise you. So I guess we had 2 pans under here this whole time, Good to know. Oh, no. Let's do it like this. Wait, how many tiers are there? I'm trying. This is as close as we're gonna get. Okay, so the bottom is rainbow. I got this piping bag and it has a little slant tip on it. So I'm gonna put the icing in here to try to do some, okay. We're gonna have to move fast, people. We're gonna have to move fast. Brighten it up a little bit. The bakers are gonna kill me for this. Let's see how our rainbow turned out. It would have been perfect if I would have just, that's fine. And then, look at this. Orange, yellow, green, blue. We need more yellow. Oh, add more yellow. And then we need clouds. Oh, her eyes were closer together. We're gonna keep them far apart. A little close-up of Poppy. Made her body. We have no room in the front for her, so we're gonna put her in the back. Wow. I think we're done, guys. This is so bad. I had Poppy in the background back here because I had put the cloud in the front, but Poppy is the star, so I had to put her in front with the rainbow. She's, oh gosh, her arm. Everything that could go wrong went wrong. So my icing was a little too liquidy. I couldn't make the scallop design at the bottom. So was the icing at the top. My cakes kept cracking. I didn't know I had 2 pots, or 2 pans, I mean. But seriously, I had so much fun making this cake. I hope you guys had fun watching me. I am exhausted. It's been such a long day making this cake. So I'm gonna go get some rest, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys want to see more videos, please subscribe. Comment if you have any suggestions on how I could have done things better. I'm more than willing to learn. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys a million times for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.